Welcome to Steve Grows Weed. We're going to be transplanting a mother plant that I'm going to be using for clones into a bigger pot. This little one's gotten a little too big for its solo cup, so we're going to be transplanting into a bigger one right now. See how I build the soil around the previous cup? That gives me a pre-made hole, which makes life much easier when I'm transplanting. Now all that's left to do is pop it out and drop her in. See, the roots have hit the bottom of the cup, so yes, it was time to transplant. Look how easy I made that look. Now before watering, we're going to do a little top dress with T&B Naturals Kelp-tastic. I'm also adding some enricher, which I've already pre-mixed into the water. So let's throw in some Kelp-tastic. Just top dress around. Real easy. Now we just water it in with the pre-mixed enriched water. Go check out T&B Naturals for more of their